Hi, I'm Malur Narayan. I'm the co-founder of Strides AI. We're making a significant impact on a very important problem, diversity in leadership. With organizations being under pressure to transform leadership diversity and governance, Strides AI delivers a unique dimension to address the advancement, retention, succession planning, and the identification of diverse executive talent. The lack of leadership diversity is driven by lack of access for underrepresented leaders. That is, lack of access to senior executive talent and access to senior executive opportunities. At Strides, we're building an AI based engine that makes it easy for leaders from all backgrounds to build those close professional and social relationships, which result in greater opportunities. Building these long term professional executive relationships using digital communication is complex and requires a different type of engagement. Have you ever observed how teenagers today build those relationships online while they're watching a game or a movie and they're chatting real time using Discord or one of the other tools? We're taking a page out of that book. Using a combination of advanced technologies like AI, ML, AR, VR, computer simulation, as well as NLP, we want to be able to provide real time insights about people while they're meeting to be able to build those informal relationships in a real world engagement and in a virtual setting. Just as in the real world, building trusted professional relationships at the executive level requires two distinct things. Number one, sustain multiple meetings over time. And number two, creating a very informal environment and finding those common interests between those two parties that eventually develops into some sort of chemistry or camaraderie. Strides is a member of the RevHub Social Impact Accelerator, which is part of the Wayfinder initiative at UCI. And we're excited to be involved in this game changing enterprise with social impact. We'd love for you to get involved as well. Strides is already available and has over 400 senior executives on the platform today. We look forward to your participation and support. In particular, for the projects, Capstone projects, we've got four different ideas. The first one is we're looking to build a ranking and a user review system that is uniquely tailored for senior executives while still being sensitive to their needs. As executives use the platform, they can rank people that they're connected with and improve the ranking based on their meetings with other members or by incrementally adding other specific characteristics that we can determine. The team working on this project will need to develop hypothesis by understanding various other user review and ranking systems that are available, whether it's Airbnb or other systems, and build something that takes into account this particular use case. The second project involves building a user assessment system that takes into account executives' credentials, experience, and other qualities, and have the leadership build a talent development score that employers and others can use to help to help gauge the readiness for the next phase of their career. The third project involves building an AI/ML real-time insight system that analyzes the video and audio calls to extract relevant topics and trending topics of conversation that could then be abstracted and played back to the users so that when they're having those meetings and conversations, those meetings can be a lot more contextualized and very specific to their particular needs. The fourth project involves building an intelligence system to scrape public domain data, including that what's available in LinkedIn and other sites, so that we can automatically populate a user's profile and add intelligence to the metadata, so that when the users are meeting other members, those real-time insights and about the user can be played back to them. So those are the four projects, and I'm really you're going to be working directly with me as the co-founder, and I'm really excited to partner with UCI on this. I hope you select one of these projects. Thank you.